How to record shows on Superbox. I'm going to tell you how to record shows on Superbox. Superbox is a popular streaming device that lets you watch a ton of TV channels and on demand shows. But recording isn't always obvious. The key is to use the built in DVR function if your model supports it. First, make sure your Superbox is connected to a USB storage device like a flash drive or external hard drive. That's where your recordings will be saved. Then, while watching a live show, look for the record button on the remote control or in the on screen menu and press it to start recording. You can usually pause and resume recording, and once the show is done, just head to the recording section to find and play it back anytime. Keep in mind, not all versions of Superbox have recording features. So if you don't see these options, it might not be supported on your device. Also, remember to check your USB storage has enough free space before recording. Overall, with a bit of setup, recording shows on Superbox is pretty straightforward and super handy if you want to watch on your schedule.